Namaste everyone. Welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev. Today we are going to do some yoga to keep your spine strong and healthy. So let's get started. So lie down onto your belly. And bring the hands by the side of your body. Let your face relax on the mat. Let go for a moment. And as you're ready, tuck your toes. Bring your chin on the ground, hands straight out, and inhale. Bring your hand up, head up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Interlock your fingers. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down, and go back. Your hands by the side of your body and let go for a moment. Then bring your chin on the ground, hands under your body, tuck your toes, and stretch the toes out, bring the hands up, forehead down, and hands under the body, tuck your toes, chin out. Stretch your toes out, hands on the ground, stretched out over the head. Hands under the body, chin out, toes on the ground. Inhale. Exhale. Release the hands once again and relax. Then bring your forehead on the ground, bend your knees, hold with your hands. Inhale, lift your head up, chest up, legs up. Exhale down. You will repeat 3 times. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Once again, relax. And bring your feet together, chin on the ground. Then inhale, bring your right leg up and drop to the left. Inhale up, exhale, release. Inhale, left leg up, exhale to the right. Inhale up, exhale, release. Inhale, right leg up, exhale to the left. Inhale up, exhale, release. Inhale left leg up, exhale to the right. Inhale up, exhale, release. Last round. Inhale right leg up, exhale to the left. Inhale up, exhale, release. Inhale left leg up, exhale to the right. Inhale up, exhale, release. And push with your hands. And lie on your back. Then inhale, bring your right leg up, bend your knee, hold with your hands, inhale, with exhale bring your forehead to the knee. Exhale, release, change your leg, left leg up, bend the knee, hold with your hands, inhale, exhale, forehead to the knee. Inhale, exhale, release. With both legs together, bend your knees, hold with your hands, inhale, exhale, forehead to the knee. And release the head. And you're going to rock back and forth, lifting up and down, massaging your spine. And this time, balance onto your hips, lift the leg up and stretch your hands out. Then very, very slowly go down and lay onto your back again. And all the way down. And release and relax. Let go for a moment. Become aware of your body and how your back feels at this moment. Whenever you're ready, move your body, stretch yourself, and very slowly and gently sit up. Slowly and gently open your eyes. Namaste.